all, Russ here, RVerTV. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 17th. I'm out here at Posa South. This is the LTVA. Saying goodbye to a few friends. They're heading north. So I thought I'd turn on the cameras and we'll film our way back in. There is pretty much no one out here. Few rigs. Hardly anyone is left compared to the tens of thousands that camped here through the winter. Even the dumpsters up here, check it out, I'll go slow. There's no trash on the ground. Or maybe there is, I don't know. Let's take a look. No, looks pretty good. All cleaned up. Someone threw furniture in there. Yeah, chunk of carpet behind that red one. Who in the right mind would throw a chunk of carpet on a public land behind a dumpster? Oh well. This is the dump area. Alright, we'll keep on trucking. Probably some of the volunteers are still here. They shut it down on Monday, the 15th, for the long term. Now you can camp on the 14-day areas all you want, all year long. And those volunteers, I know they're done. And then the actual BLM employees, they work way up into midsummer, cleaning up, doing repairs, and getting it ready for the next season. And there's their little check-in office. That host is still there. I think the host can stay as long as they want. And a lot of them rangers, I think they go out and tell people you got like 7 to 10 days to get out of here. It's no big deal. And all you do is move over to the 14-day areas. They're around town. Well, we'll go across the street, and that one crossed is Tyson Wash, LTVA, and I'll launch a drone. We'll get a little aerial shot while I'm out here. We had some thunderstorms last night. That's why you see all the pavement kind of wet. Alright, let me get turned around here, get parked. Drone time. I shall return. Hey, up we go. Power lines everywhere. I gotta be careful. Okay, that's Highway 95 heading back towards Yuma. Yuma's about 70 some miles down that road right there. That dirt road follows all the power lines along the highway. Then way out, that'd be Roadrunner, La Paz Valley. There's the community of Rainbow Acres, all those white spots out there. This is looking down at Tyson Wash, LTVA, and there is Quartzsite. Q Mountain. That's looking straight back at Quartzsite down Arizona 95. Then we'll swing around here. There is La Posa South, which was probably the busiest LTVA of them all because they got the water and the dumpsters and all that. There it is. Done deal. All right, let me get landed. We'll get back on the road. Aerial footage is provided by RVerTV. Always wanted to say that. All right, off we go. That's a bird's eye look. We're flying right around 250 feet. Got a good panoramic view of the area. Yeah, I think some of these rigs out here that are still here, they're just stragglers waiting up. It's still cold and snowing up north. But once again, you can go to the 14-day areas. You can camp year round. Doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to head down 95 here. I will stop down by the other two LTVAs, which is La Posa West and North. And we'll launch a drone down there too. Look how crystal clear the sky is after the rain last night. Those thunderstorms went through, had quite a bit of lightning, thunder. Not a bunch of rain. North of town, they had quite a bit of rain. I guess the washes were running north of town. Okay, here's the entrances, but all the power lines, I don't like flying right here. There's the Quartzsite sign. Looks pretty empty. I'm going to go over up here by the big tent lot. Park, and then we'll launch a drone. Okay, I'll flip a Yui here and get parked. We'll get her up in the air. Be right back. All right, we're looking straight out. That's La Posa North. And I don't see hardly any rigs, if any. There's the two host entrances right up there. Looks like the hosts are still there. There's, I don't know, half a dozen trailers. There's looking straight out at Q Mountain, the community of Q Mountain. And there's the big tent lot. See the white poles? That's the entrances to the big tent. There's Tyson Wells, Prospectors. That's 95 right there. Pretty much that's it. That's Rice Ranch as well. Looking mighty empty. All right, we're gonna land, then head on down to, well, let's go out to Plomosa. Alrighty, another bird's eye view. On the left is Prospectors. On the right there's old Rice Ranch. There's Kewen. On the left is also Tyson. We're going to cross over Interstate 10 here. And we are on Central Avenue heading north. Yeah, the streets are clean. That really settled the dust because it hadn't seen any rain in almost a month. And everything was like a powdered fine dust. Now you can breathe again. Yay. All right, we are approaching the intersection of Main Street and Central. We're going to continue on north. Fuel prices are still about the same as they were Monday. I don't expect them to come down all summer. Okay, we're heading north on Central. Some of these RV parks here, the one on the right, they look like they are locked up for the season. On the left, they might be open, who knows. There's all Herb's Hardware. On the right, there's a VFW. If you're a veteran, sign up. They do a lot of charity events and dinners and that kind of stuff through this season. And I think they're open year-round too. RV Pit Stop, they're done for the year. Or for the season, I should say. Okay, and on the right, we won't discuss them. Alright, keep on going. Once again, this is Central Avenue, and also Arizona 95. Okay, we're gonna pass by Tyson Drive, or Street. On the right, there's a Quartzsite Fire Department and also Care Flight helicopter. It's where they land and take off. They work hard to keep people healthy, trying to save lives. Now up here on 95, there is a huge stretch of road that they're doing maintenance on. They're actually replacing the asphalt, which is extremely needed. This road is in really bad shape. On Monday when I went up to Parker, it took me about 20-30 minutes to get through it. We're not going to go that far. We're only going to go up to Plomosa Road. Okay, by that cell tower there, right here on the left, is the Quartzsite transfer station. You can take your trash here for free, year-round. Okay, we are approaching the High Jolly right here on the right, where you see that turn lane. That's High Jolly 14-day BLM camp area. Few rigs in there. I bet some of them guys moved out of the long term, came over here. Probably waiting to head north, waiting for the weather to warm up there. Still snowing and cold. Especially like Montana, up in the Rockies, all them areas. Look at this slug of traffic coming at me. Because up here at the construction area, it's single lane. They put you through in groups. Look at them all. That was me on Monday. Oh well, don't care. Alrighty, we're getting up here. See right there it says prepare to stop on the right. Well, we're getting up here to Plomosa Road. Alright, this is Plomosa Road. This is 14-day. This is not long-term. This is 14-day camp area. Don't see too many rigs. Looks like the host is packing up there. I'll launch a drone. We'll take a look from the air. Go up here and get parked. I'm not going to go very far down the road. Not today. But we'll take a quick look from the air and see what it looks like. There's the host on the right. His tent's gone, so he's packing up. Alright, turn in here and get parked. Once again, think of the thousands, I mean thousands of rigs that stayed out here this winter. Just amazing the amount of people that were here this winter. Astronomical, really. Up we go. Alright, that's looking straight down to where the host sets up. There's his rig down there. Upper left. A couple stragglers there camping with him. That's Plomosa Road right below. That's looking back towards Quartzsite. Swing around here. That's looking straight up towards Bouse. That's Plomosa Road heading towards Bouse. Bouse is about 20 miles down the road. Rigs are gone. This is my absolute favorite area to come out here and camp. Plomosa Road. Close enough to town and you're away from the hectic noise. Alright, let's get landed. keep on moving. All right, well, there was a few comments that was asked about me. What's it look like out here? And it looks empty. All right, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Talk soon. Take care.